Hey everybody, those who have been following along would remember that a few months ago I posted a video when I acquired this 1971 Montgomery Ward by General Motors window air conditioner, and since then I have been working on getting this thing back up to shape, and here it is. This is the finished product. Montgomery Ward signature. Cleaned up really nice. New paint job, new hardware. All 9 yards. Painted the coils, and no, it does not restrict it. Still gets plenty of airflow, and you can actually see through the coils. It cleaned up real nice. Here it is with the grill off. Evaporator coil. See, it has new hardware. New insulation. Took out the old 50-year-old insulation and put some new insulation in there, because who knows where that insulation has been, and that stuff tends to collect stuff. So I got some spray glue, stuck that in there after cutting it to size. Got that all fit, and yeah, here's the tag. Alright, so now that the cover's back on, I guess I'll fire this thing up for a minute, and then pretty soon I'm going to be getting ready to install it. So I guess we'll start it up with fan only. This is low fan. High fan. It's crazy the difference between low and high. This is high. That's low. Smooth. Smooth as can be. It's already blown cold. Recips get right down to business. Injecting some heat. It already has a good charge, I made sure of that. Alright, with that said, that wraps this video up. See you guys in the next one.